Hi, I am JORC. I would like to present our condensate distributor to you. The main feature of the distributor is to collect and distribute compressed air condensate into oil-water separators. If you do not distribute the condensate evenly into the oil-water separators, then the elements will not saturate evenly, leading to irregular and disturbed service moments. Let's take a closer look and see what goes on inside the distributor. Condensate enters the distributor from one or both sides and is collected by the tiltable collection container. As the collection container fills, the center of gravity moves towards the front, and causes the container to tilt. The collected condensate drops into the individual outlet zones. The outlet zones have their own smaller reservoirs, allowing the collected condensate to be distributed evenly across the 6 outlets. Main features are 2 1-inch condensate inlets. Up to 6 oil-water separators can be connected. A guaranteed even distribution into oil-water separators. Easy and quick to service inner working mechanism. Thank you for your attention. I'm looking forward to your next order.